Hello guys, if you're looking for Pi Network invitation code, then here it is. This code will give you 25% fast mining rate and 1 PI absolutely free. Now let me quickly answer some of your questions about Pi Network. Number 1, what is Pi Network? Number 2, ways to earn Pi coins. Number 3, Pi coins future cost. Number 4, when this cryptocurrency will available to buy. Number 5, what you should do with Pi Network and why. Number 6, how to set up account and start earning coins from smartphone. So let's get to the first point. What is Pi Network? Pi Network is the cryptocurrency developed by two Stanford graduates, and the best thing about this cryptocurrency is you can mine it from any smartphone. This crypto is not released till yet, but like all other cryptocurrencies, Pi Network available for mine, then available in the market to buy. Number 2, ways to earn Pi coins. First way, you can mine it from your smartphone. Second way, you can buy Pi coins like you buy bitcoins or something when it's available in the market. Number 3, Pi coins future cost. Experts saying the price of 1 Pi will around $2, but it's just a prediction and the real exact value of this coin will get to know after its release. Number 4, when this cryptocurrency will available to buy. Developers saying currently app has got 18 million plus downloads on Google Play Store, and when it reach to 100 million users, then the developer will release the Pi coin in the market for purchase and sell. Number 5, what you should do with Pi Network and why. Guys, this is an amazing opportunity for everyone. Pi Network is available for smartphone. Install the app and Pi Network will start mining. You don't need to do anything, just run the app in the background, that's it. After the end of the year, you will earn almost 5000 Pi, and if the price of 1 Pi will be around $2, then you will have $10,000. Sounds interesting, right? Number 6, how to set up account and start earning coins from smartphone. I'm going to show you in my smartphone how to set up and start earning through Pi Network. In order to set up, first install Pi Network from Google Play Store. You can also install it for your iPhone. Check, the link is in the description. This app has got 18 million plus downloads with 4.5 rating out of 5. So we can trust on this application. Open the app and now let's set up. Set up your account by signing in with Facebook or continue with your phone number. I am going to continue with phone number. Here, select your country and enter your mobile number. Then click on OK. Now set up your password and click on submit. Fill your details here like first name, last name and a username. Now Pi Network will ask you about invitation code. You can't join Pi Network without any invitation code because of high security. Enter Techsable, TECHSABLE as your invitation code and click on submit. Because you have the invitation code, you got 1 Pi at the beginning. Also, mining rate will increase up to 25%, and just keep running this app in the background. You will earn hundreds of Pi coins in few days. If you still have any doubts in your mind about Pi Network, then I'll leave the link of the post in description. You can check out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a like. Also, subscribe to the channel for more technology and internet tricks.